In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this WASSCE or WAEC chemistry problems under carbohydrates. So guys, we have 17 repeated questions to practice with in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, the byproduct of fermentation of sugar is, we have option A, propan, 1, 2, 3, triol, we have carbon dioxide, ethanoic acid, propanol. The right answer is option B. This is an obvious question, carbon dioxide. Alright, so that's for this question. The next question will be this one. Guys, just take notes of all the questions we'll be attempting here because they are very, very important. A good number of them oftentimes get repeated. So question 2 says starch could be converted to glucose by the process of, we have hydrolysis, we have condensation, dehydration, fermentation. The right answer is option A, hydrolysis. Okay, so that's for this question. The next question will be this one. It says which of the following substances is a non-reducing sugar? So we have glucose, we have maltose, we have sucrose, we have fructose. So the one that is a non-reducing sugar is our sucrose, option C. Okay, so that's it for this question. The next question of this one, it says which of the following is a disaccharide? So we have starch, we have sucrose, we have fructose, we have cellulose. So the one that is a disaccharide is sucrose, option B. That is for this question. The next question of this one, it says which of the following needs to be hydrolyzed before it shows reducing property? We have fructose, sucrose, we have glucose, we have maltose. So the right answer is option B, sucrose. Okay, next question will be this one. It says which of the following sugars is a product of the condensation of monosaccharides? Okay, we have maltose, we have galactose, we have glucose, we have fructose. So guys, the right answer to this question will be our maltose. So that's the answer to this question. So which of the following sugar is a product of condensation of monosaccharides? So it's our maltose, guys. So that's for this question. The next question is this one. It says glucose reduces Fehling solution on warming. So the right answer is option B, copper monoxide. Take note of this particular question as well. The next question is this one. It says what process does the following equation represent? So this because of this water here in this reactant side, so this shows that this is hydrolysis of starch. Alright, so that's it for this question, option B. The next question will be this one. It says sugar can be hydrolyzed at room temperature by the action of, we have enzymes, oxidants, strong bases, mineral acids. The right answer is option A, which is enzymes. Okay, the next question will be this one. It says a positive reaction to Fehling's test indicates the presence of reducing sugars. This one oftentimes comes at, so option D, reducing sugars. The next question will be this one. It says the reaction of sucrose with hydrochloric acid produces, we have a polysaccharide, an alkanoate, glucose and fructose, a black mass of carbons. So the right answer is option C. So it produces glucose and fructose. Next question will be this one. It says glucose gives a brick red precipitate with Fehling's solution because it is a reducing sugar. Yeah, option A. That's it for this question. The next question will be this one. It says on exposing palm wine to air for some days, it becomes sour owing to the conversion of, we have glucose to ethanol, glucose to gluconic acid, ethanol to ethanoic acid, ethanol to ethanol. So the right answer to this question would be our option C, which is from ethanol to ethanoic acid. So that's the right answer to this question. The next question will be this one. It says the condensation of 2 units of glucose will produce a disaccharide with the formula, which is, so this shows that what we have here will be our maltose. Okay, option D. The next question will be this one. It says the refreshing characteristic drinks is due to the presence of, so this is obvious question, carbon dioxide. That's the right answer, option C. Next question will be this one. It says fructose and glucose are classified as carbohydrates because they conform to the general formula. So this formula we have here is correct. The last question we have here before I end this video will be this one. So it says the product of fermentation of sugar, we have ethanol and enzyme, carbon dioxide and water. We have ethanol and carbon dioxide. We have ethanol and water. So guys, the right answer to this question will be our option C, which is ethanol and carbon dioxide. So this basically can deal with problems involving carbohydrates for your WASSCE chemistry. We practice with 17 repeated questions for this topic. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what you learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button. I'll be getting premium information and help you to excel in your exams like the WASSCE and other exams you'll be writing. Alright, so having done this, click on the next button and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.